Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to add RSI on TradingView app. Okay, adding RSI indicator. So in your mobile device, iPhone or Android. So you can simple open the app, then open your chart. After opening your chart, you can simple click on the three dots you will see in the bottom navigation bar. Okay, and then here scroll up and then click on indicators inside a tool. Once you tap on indicators, here you can simple click on search bar. Now here simple type RSI. Okay, sorry, RSI means relative strength index. And then once you tap on it, you will see a message. It will add it to your chart. Now go back to your chart and here you will see my RSI indicator will be adding here. Here you will see. Once I tap on it, it will expand. So and hide it, you will see the RSI indicator will hide and then here it will apply. Now for its settings, you can simply click on the gear icon. And now here you will see the RSI indicator settings like input settings, style and the visibility settings. Okay. And then you can here customize it and apply it. Okay. Goodbye.